Hello everyone, myself Pritesh Raut and today we are going to discuss about the gas turbine. Here is the short introduction about the gas turbine. The gas turbine it operates on the principle of Brayton cycle where compressed air is mixed with the fuel and then that burn in the combustion chamber which resulting the hot gas which is fed on the turbine to perform the work. Okay, so what in gas turbine we have a compressor, we have combustion chamber, and another one is a turbine which will produce the power. So in compressor, that air is compressed, and then in combustion chamber that air is comes in contact with the fuel, and where the combustion is take place, fuel is burned and combustion is take place, then that the hot gas is passes to the turbine where the power is produced and then that power is utilized for the different application. So most of the gas turbine is work on what? Open cycle. As we know that gas turbine is classified into two types: open cycle gas turbine and closed cycle gas turbine. When we compare open cycle gas turbine with the closed cycle gas turbine, there is a one major difference is that the feedback system is present in the closed cycle gas turbine, because in open gas turbine whatever the amount of hot air after the combustion chamber, the hot air which is pass over the turbine blade which is expand, after the expansion of that gases they are exit to the environment directly. But in a closed cycle gas turbine, the same gas which is expand in the turbine, it is again passed to the compressor, and again it is passed to the combustion chamber and then gas turbine. Means that in closed cycle gas turbine, that gas is continuously circulated through the system. Okay, but in case of the open gas turbine, after expansion of the gas, that gas will exit to the atmosphere instead of circulating the system. Okay, so turbojet, turboprop, these are the examples of the gas turbine, especially open cycle gas turbine. Next, this is the schematic arrangement of the open cycle gas turbine, where we will see the compressor, combustion chamber and the turbine arrangement. So in open cycle gas turbine there is no any feedback system. In open cycle gas turbine we have a compressor and the compressor shaft is connected with the turbine shaft, and in between the compressor and the turbine we have a combustion chamber. As we know, as we told earlier, that this system is completely work on the Brayton cycle. Okay, so the fresh air which is taken from the atmosphere into the compressor, it compressed at a high pressure, it is compressed, so the pressure and temperature is increased, so then that high pressure air is then passed to the combustion chamber. When it pass through the combustion chamber, the fuel is injected in the path of the air. So due to this the combustion is take place, and the result of that combustion is what? Hot gases which is produced after the combustion is then passed to the turbine where that gases are expand, and the turbine is produces the power. That power, then the power which is produced by the turbine, it is then utilized for different applications to produce the thrust. So in this way, after expansion of the gas, that gas will be exhausted to the atmosphere. So when it exhausted to the atmosphere, it will produce the thrust to the opposite direction. So in this way, open cycle gas turbine is work. Thank you very much.